Hi guys, we are doing a video here for KPR 200 in regards to modification of the exhaust pipe. We have an SC project exhaust, so you can in the night you can do that mode so that it doesn't affect your eyes, but during the day you can do that clearly. Then my bike, it's a Kenyan registered bike. Actually, this is a movie hall, so maybe you wonder why it is. This is a bike, it's Kenyan registered, and here is the exhaust pipe. See, it's a small one, it's a very nice one if you look at it. And by the way, I modified the tires because I live in Masai Mara currently, because that's where I work, and it's been doing me a good service in regards to the rough road. Yeah, it's a good bike. I would really propose that you can take one if you want. It's a good bike, good consumption, and the exhaust is doing very well, I think. Maybe we try it and listen to the voice. Yeah. Actually, the highest speed I've gone with this bike is 155 from Nairobi, but as you can see, maybe I've done some 26,900 kilometers. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Anyway, thank you.